been dismissed from office for any conflict between personal interest and public or official interest?
I have not been dismissed, Chairman.
From any office?
In any office or from any office.
With that rich history and background, long practice and so on, what is your financial net worth?
The gross is about 392 or thereabout. 392 million shillings.
Mm-hmm. And what are your current and anticipated sources of income?
Maybe I could say the net. The net is 218 million shillings. The others are debt, yes. My net worth is 218 million. And this is a value of properties between myself and my husband. Some of them.
Those are family assets?
Those, they are family assets.
Mm-hmm. What are your current and anticipated sources of income?
Until September, I have earned a salary from Parliament, and I have been in and off practicing a bit very, very low, low key, because of course as a member of Parliament you have very little time in your hands. I get about an allowance, fuel allowance of about 100,000 from my farm, and I also, from these properties, some of them are in my name, I get about 500,000 shillings a month. At the moment, they do not have tenants since COVID, and therefore I have no income coming from that end. I'm relying on the little 100,000 and my salary from MP, of course, yes.
Great. Now I will open up to the members to ask you questions.